lies the body of mother and her daughter. Salima and Nuriana Ayaz Mirali were amongst the 61 civilians that government says were killed in the Westgate terror attack. The mother of three had gone to the mall with her two children when the gunmen started shooting indiscriminately at the unarmed and innocent shoppers.
Bodies were buried today, another 2 tomorrow, and another 2 on Friday. And one has gone to Canada. So altogether in our community there were 8 members.
Hundreds of Muslims this morning congregated outside a mosque in Hurlingham to donate blood in solidarity with the victims of the Westgate terror attack.
As a Muslim, I strongly condemn it, and all of us strongly condemn it, that this has no part in our faith, and just because they do barbaric acts.
Who are these people who are harming innocent children, ladies, old people? That is not Islam. My book does not say this. Islam does not say this.
And of course, a lot of Muslims also died there. We buried some yesterday at Langata. So these are not Muslims. These are terrorists.
Do you think you are a hero?
I don't think I'm a hero.
Why not?
I think I did what any Kenyan in my situation would have done to save lives, to save other humans regardless of their nationality, religion or creed. I did what any other human being would have done in that situation.
As a community, we must constantly assure ourselves that these attempts made by Al-Shabaab and their affiliate entities are acts of desperation. Religious scholars within the community have already denounced their claim to legitimacy in the light of Islam.